Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then ethosuximide. Ethosuximide. Ethosuximide is actually this. It is a safe and long-acting anticonvulsant drug. This ethosuximide will actually block the T type of T. It blocks the T type of calcium channels. This ethosuximide is a protein-bound drug. It is not metabolized. It is eliminated in the urine unchanged. Because it is eliminated in the urine unchanged, it is avoided in renal failure. The main side effects of ethosuximide are: ethosuximide can result in GI upset. It can also cause thrombocytopenia. Then, uses of ethosuximide. Ethosuximide is only used in absence seizures. Now, in all the children with absence seizures, we can use this ethosuximide. Then,
thank you and thank you for watching.